This video will be a tutorial to show you step by step how you insert the SIM card and add additional SD card to your BLU 5 Pro, and this is variety stick, so make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now, most likely you may purchase the phone through TracFone brands like TracFone, Simple Mobile, Straight Talk, Toro by Verizon, and the phone comes with pre-installed SIM card. So if you're activating new number, I highly recommend to keep the SIM card inside the phone because you're activating the phone within the same SIM card. But if you're switching your phone from one to another, maybe you need to take the old SIM card and insert the old SIM card on the new phone. So first of all, you need to determine where is the SIM tray. It should be located on the left, and you will see a hole over here. All you have to do, bring a tool which is something look like this, and this tool will go inside this hole and just push in, and the SIM tray, it should pop up. Now in your nails or your finger, take this out, and let me give you a closer look to how the SIM tray look like. Now first of all, you're gonna see this side is up, and here is the SIM place, and this is where the SD card go, and it has to take the same shape of the SD card and the SIM card. Let me start with the SIM card. Now first of all, you have to look and find the curve on the SIM tray and just put it like this. Now this side has to be up where it says the SD card and the SIM card. Number of the SIM card has to be up, and when you insert, it has to face the screen in order to do it on the right way. Now if we want to put more memory, which is this phone allow up to 128, go ahead and put the SD card to make sure to match the same shape. And also I'm going to give you a closer look about how it looks like. Now if you flip the SIM tray upside down, everything has to be intact. Now grab your phone, make sure numbers face up and face the screen when you insert, just like this. Make sure nice and smooth, and push all the way in. Now if you see your phone, the phone, it will tell you there is SIM card inside the phone. I highly recommend to reboot the phone, because sometimes if you don't restart your phone, the phone's not going to read the SIM card, and maybe you're going to have some problems. Highly recommend to reboot the phone when you do this, and after that, make sure your phone is working. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, talk to you in another video.